Hi, I'm Dr. Olivia from Pet Circle. Today we are talking about wet food for dogs. Whilst it's common for dog owners to feed kibble, many dog owners are unsure about wet food or even unaware that wet food can be an excellent addition to their diet. If you're watching this, you may be wondering if you should be feeding your dog wet food, and if so, how wet food fits into their current diet and which wet food is best. Well, stay tuned because I'll be answering all of those questions in this video. Wet food has many benefits. Firstly, it's highly palatable, making it an excellent choice for our picky eaters, senior dogs, and dogs recovering from illness to encourage that return of appetite. And its soft, mushy consistency makes it easy to hide medications to reduce stress of you having to get medicine into your dog's mouth. The soft texture is also a great choice for dogs with dental issues who may have trouble chewing kibble. Wet food is higher in moisture content, containing 70 to 85% water, so it helps with hydration. This can be particularly helpful for dogs with urinary or kidney conditions. Another benefit of wet food is that it's typically less calorie dense than dry food, so it's very helpful for dogs that need a little help with weight management. When it comes to choosing a wet food, there are a huge variety of options out there. So here are some key things to look for. Firstly, you want to ensure that it is complete and balanced. Check the label and manufacturing information to ensure that it meets the Association of American Feed Control Officials or Pet Food Industry Association of Australia, which are regulatory bodies that ensure that pet food is complete and balanced. Secondly, look at the quality of ingredients. Check for high quality ingredients, including animal protein sources, as these are highly digestible for dogs, like poultry or lamb, and added nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which provide a host of benefits for skin, coat, and joint health. You should also choose a wet food that is suitable for your dog's age and lifestyle. There are formulations for puppies and senior dogs, as well as wet foods designed to help manage certain health conditions like urinary disease or skin and stomach problems. There are a few different types of wet foods, including scientifically formulated brands, natural and grain-free options, as well as novel protein diets, which are great for dogs with skin allergies or those completing a food elimination trial. These are some of my top recommended brands. For science-backed brands, I recommend the Hill Science Diet, Royal Canin, and Advance. These foods are formulated by expert veterinary scientists and nutritionists and are backed by years of research. They have recipes for different life stages and health concerns. For natural and grain-free wet food, some of my top picks are Ziwi Peak, Canine Natural, and Open Farm. These recipes focus on high-quality animal protein sources and are suitable for all life stages. And for novel protein diets, the Prime 100 Kangaroo and Pumpkin is a great choice. Wet food can make up the entirety of your dog's diet, and this works great for some, but most people choose to do mixed feeding, which means feeding a combination of dry food and wet food. You could feed this at a 50-50 ratio, or you can feed less or more wet food depending on your dog's needs and dietary preferences. Mixed feeding or adding a small amount of wet food to your dog's kibble provides your dog a variety of textures and aromas to enjoy at mealtime. And it's a more budget-friendly option than feeding wet food alone. When introducing wet food, be sure to transition gradually over a week to avoid any tummy upsets. Adding wet food to your dog's diet can be a great way to provide enrichment and promote overall health. To learn more about mixed feeding and the benefits of wet food for dogs, check out our video on the benefits of mixed feeding. To explore our wide range of wet food for your dog, visit petcircle.com.au.